is another video from the bottom of my Buntot. And hi, I'm Ian Ones. I'm Sofia Gabriel. I'm Reden Marco Cruz again. And now, and this is the second episode about the Filipino street food. Magandang halat. And now we have our special guest. Colleen and Trisha. Yay! Takilit ever. Magandang hapon, Pagkisiyon! I am Pagkisiyon Tokol. I am Pagkisiyon Tokol. Struggle na lang. Wala akong special guest. May ako din po. Yeah, we're the special guest. Oo, special guest kami. Hindi. Kayo busy. Bakit? Okay na. Kanina pa. And now we're going to buy our fishball and French fries. Lahat? Kuya, pabili.
Good!
Kuya, pabili!
Oh my God!
Kuya, pabili ka. Dalawang fishball, saka dalawang French fries.
French fries. Ay. Yay! Now we're going to fry the food. You know? For our second try. That smells like food. Like food. You know? Hey! Salita mo dyan, bro.
Preparing our
French fries and
food.
fishball.
Food. Preparing ako.
French fries and the
Guys,
fishball.
food. P-U-D. Food. Ang mukha.
Put ang face in the mud. You know that?
No.
That wasn't really funny. They didn't know that.
So wait.
Wek. Ay, sinarado. They say, video kuya. He's crying.
Wala bang ano dyan?
What is the mga sausawan? We're gonna go enter again.
Suka or vinegar. Ketchup.
Or the
And I don't know what's this. Hot sauce. Or lahat. It's na. Yeah, it's talaga. Orange.
This is how you cook some Filipinos
love to eat fishball, some wek and French fries. Kuya is training
They
the
are always
mantika
frying.
in the fishball.
Yummy.
Yummy.
You're right.
Kaya nga sabi ni Jess, hindi ko bayad. Yeah, bayad.
How much is the fishball?
10 pesos.
Ay, 10 pesos?
5 pesos.
How many fishball can you buy in 5 pesos?
Only one.
Ay, one lang?
What? 8?
And they are having a meeting.
Kuya, introduce yourself. I know. Who are you?
flavor?
Flavor. Cheese flavor. Flavor. Cheese. It's cook.
Oh, there na. It's finished. It's finished.
French fries.
Finish.
What? French fries.
Oh, thank you.
French fries. Ooh. Now we're going to put the ketchup.
Yeah, ketchup and french fries.
Yummy. And this sweet. We'll put it on. This one. Hindi na din. Nabalik. Yucky. Do you want to put some vinegar? No. Again and again. And here is the cat quicker. Or tok neneng sinalin.
Ay, sinalin na yun.
Sinalin ka din. Kasama niya yan. Take no. It's a game.
Oh, punas. Nakita sa video. That's how you cook.
Let's taste it na. Oh! What? Yummy. Yeah. Yummy.
Look at my finger.
You want that steak? I will give you the steak.
It's mine. Ang liwanag.
What flavor is this? I mean, what
Filipino use stick to make tusok
Like
to
this.
the food. Filipinos are so clever. Filipinos are so clever. They're good.
Guys, this is our final destination. Seriously, this is our final destination because our tutorial ends here. Now,
Wow! What? What?
What?
whatever.
Uy, dito. Ang tagal ng No, Obi.
Ready, guys, ready!
Dito ka Sophia at saka si Gia. Sige na ka pa. Narinig ka dito. Alam mo yun? Ito.
Oh my God!
Dapat kiss muna kasi.
Thank you. Stop na.